And we will. They'll shoot them out of the water.
The U.S. military does not have to change its rules of engagement in order to follow your...
Well, that's the rules of engagement. That's a threat when they get that close to our boat. And they have guns. They have very substantial weapons on those boats. But we'll shoot them out of the water.
Today, we can monitor the world from space, and it means boosting strategic data for the IRGC. Putting the satellite into orbit gives us a technological advantage, and is also a powerful asset in the intelligence war.